Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I gave in to the trend and bought a cosmetic fridge. I found this Danielle's Collection fridge at my local Marshall's for only $39.99. Cosmetic fridges come in various sizes and range from the price of $24.99 up to $200. This one is very small and compact and fits my countertop perfectly, and it comes with a cooling and heating feature. The door latches to keep the products at your desired temperature, and inside they have a shelf to separate the large and small products, as well as the power cord for safe traveling. I'm going to go ahead and organize with my daily skincare products and see if this fridge is actually a good fit for me. Lately, I've been using a lot of dermatological products as well as Shea Moisture. And to save money, I've just been using the travel size, which have lasted me a really long time. So I'm just going to stick to the travel size. It looks like everything fits, and this is a perfect fit for me.